Hi, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel, where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to an extraordinary opportunity in the heart of Botolan, Zambales. Nestled within the picturesque landscape and just a stone's throw away from the stunning white sand beaches, this remarkable farm lot is ready to become your dream oasis. In the next 3 minutes, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating features of this prime 7,773 square meter property. This corner lot boasts an impressive location strategically situated along the National Highway and a barangay road, providing easy access to and from your sanctuary. Imagine the convenience of having your own piece of paradise where the world-class beaches of Zambales are just a short 5-minute drive away. But the allure doesn't stop at convenience. Step onto this property and you'll be greeted by a breathtaking backdrop of majestic mountains. Whether you're seeking tranquility or inspiration, the serene mountain views will captivate your senses and create a haven of relaxation. Now, let's talk about potential. With a property of this size and strategic location, the possibilities are truly limitless. Looking for a residential haven? Picture your dream home amidst this stunning national beauty. With ample space, you can design and build a residence that perfectly fits your vision. Or perhaps you have an entrepreneurial spirit. This property's prime location along the National Highway opens doors to numerous commercial ventures. From boutique resorts to roadside cafes, gasoline stations, the property's versatility paves the way for an exciting investment opportunity. And let's not forget the crown jewel of this location, the world-famous white sand beaches of Zambales. Just a short drive away, you'll find yourself in a tropical paradise where sun, sea, and sand await you every desire. As the sun sets over this remarkable piece of land, envision the endless possibilities that await you here in Botolan, Zambales. With its prime location, abundant space, and breathtaking views, this 7,773 square meter farm lot is more than just a property, it's a canvas for your dreams. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Contact us today to learn more about how you can make this piece of paradise your own. Embrace the beauty, the potential, and the future that awaits you on this remarkable farm lot in Botolan, Zambales. Discover the allure of prime properties. If you're captivated by what you've seen today and hungry for more, we have something special for you. Join us on Facebook for an exclusive look into our latest property listing. Connect with us, stay updated, and be the first to know about the hottest real estate opportunities. And for an immersive experience, subscribe to our YouTube channel, dive into our virtual tours, insider insights, and in-depth property showcases that bring you closer to your dream property than ever before. Join us as we unlock a world of possibilities in the realm of real estate. See you online. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The future of your dreams starts right here. And remember, when buying a property, make sure it's Zambales Realty. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, because we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe. And if you like this video, be sure to hit subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and on our YouTube channel so you'll never miss properties like this. This is Darren Shanava, your host, signing off. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenshanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.